In this video, I'm going to show you how you can shoot hyperlapse shots just like this. This is a really easy technique that anyone can do, and all you're going to need is a smartphone. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today we're just going to jump straight into this tutorial on smartphone hyperlapses. This is a great effect to sprinkle into your footage and can really help make your videos stand out. Nice and easy to achieve. This is how it's done. Okay, so we're going to start by finding a focal point. Big monuments, landmarks, anything like that will work great. We're going to open up the camera app on our phone and select time lapse. I've gone with the wide angle lens for this just because I think it looks best. We're then going to tap and hold on our focal point to lock our focus and exposure. Then hit record and start walking forwards. Nice and easy, just walk at a steady, normal pace and try to keep your framing the best you can. Now, this is going to look terrible when you're filming, really shaky, shots all over the place, but have faith in your phone's stabilization abilities. The better your phone's image stabilization, the better this effect will look. Also note how I've enabled the grids on my camera. This just really helps with framing and composition and keeps my focal point where it should be. Now, you could just keep your camera facing forwards and end it there, or if you're shooting something tall like this lighthouse, then you might want to tilt up as you get close to it. You could even take this to the next level by orbiting around your focal point. Once you're done, stop recording and your phone will do the rest, and this is the result. Now, here's a game-changing tip when it comes to shooting hyperlapses. Find a focal point, select time lapse. I'm going to use the standard lens this time. Tap and hold to lock focus and exposure. Only this time, we're going to keep our lighthouse on the horizontal line of these intersecting points and try to keep it framed there the best we can throughout this shot. Hit record, and this time instead of walking forwards, we're going to walk sideways. Again, this shot is going to look shaky when filming, but just keep your focal point locked onto your grid as much as possible. I usually find you need to walk for at least a minute to get a long enough hyperlapse with these types of shots. Once you're finished, stop recording and your phone will work its magic, and just like that, you've got another smooth hyperlapse to add to your videos. Okay, here's another example, only this time we're going to put our focal point in the middle of the frame and walk sideways. There are many ways you can shoot this effect. The most important thing is to learn the basics, experiment, and get creative. I find this effect works best in busy environments. The more moving in the shot, the better the effect. Cloudy days work well. This adds another layer of interest compared to a clear blue sky like this shot here, for example. Also, you can add just one of these shots to your videos to help tell a better story, or create an entire sequence using these types of shots. The choice is yours. So look, what did you think of this hyperlapse technique? Is this something that you're going to add to your films and videos? If it is and you found this video useful, let me know by giving it the old thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch more content like this, learn more about video production, you can do that by watching one of my other tutorials just over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.